In this episode of Taco Tuesday, we visit Queen City Food Truck Park right here in Mercedes, Texas. The first stop on this 5-truck tour is Taco Alex, a family-owned taco truck born right here in the valley. Okay. Welcome back to Taco Tuesday, RGV. I'm Staff. I'm here with
Naomi,
Janet.
We're here at Taco Alex, right in the beautiful land of Mercedes, Texas, on Route 2. You guys know the address? How do we get here, guys?
es en la dirección 350 North Virginia Avenue, aquí en Mercedes, en Queen Food Park City.
Fantastic. So I've had the food here. We've come here for other events. They put on a couple of kids events here. The food is terrific, so good that I had to bring the rest of them back here. So I gotta ask the same questions all the time. When I sit down in front of the camera, I let the people know. So is this the only food truck you guys have, or do you guys have any other food trucks?
Ahorita es la única que tenemos aquí. Es la única food truck.
Es la única food
Sí, de taquería.
Nice. So when you come in this food truck, so where did the name come from? I see the name is Taco Alex. It's not like Ramona. It's not your name. It's Taco Alex. So where did the name come from?
Tacos Alex lo pusimos más por mi hermano y por mi sobrino, que es el menor. Solo fue por ellos dos.
Se llaman Alex los dos.
Igualito.
Fantastic. You guys know I love a family-oriented taco spot. You can taste it when it's from the heart. You can taste it in every taco, in every torta, and everything that you order, and every glass of limonada, right? So this makes no difference here. Everything is still the same. Still South Texas, still the heart of Taco Town. So another question I gotta ask. So when we come here, we order the same thing. When we go, we order beef steak tacos and fajita tacos. So what are your 3 favorite items on the menu here?
Los tres. Pues el más popular viene siendo los tacos de bistec, que viene siendo que todas las taquerías, las hamburguesas, ¿qué más?
Combo de hot dog, tenemos lonchecitos y tenemos los tacos de tripa que son muy pedidos aquí.
Sí.
Muy bien. Okay, so we got your 3 favorites. So now when we order, everybody likes the number 1 things. But what are the menu items that you think that people should order that they don't order? Your most special order, your secret order, that if somebody comes by, if I bring my mom down and I say, what should she order? The number 1 thing that you would recommend on the menu?
Sí, lo que recomendaríamos. Un plato especial, sí, un menú especial.
El combo de tacos, que vienen siendo 4 tacos, sea de tripa, de bistec, de pastor, a fajita. Lleva media papa con crema, queso y mantequilla. Y les ponemos sus frijoles charros y su coca, ya sea el sabor que a ustedes les guste. Ese es el que más recomendamos también.
Lo especial, lo popular aquí.
All right, Mom, you heard that. When you come down, that's what we're going to order. Okay, I love the food truck. I love everything about it. I love that. So we got to try everything that you guys ordered. We'll see how, again, guys, the food we've already had it. It's good. I know it is good. So I'm going to show you how fantastic this place can be. Come down to Taco Alex here in Mercedes at the Queen City Food Truck Park. You can't miss it, right off the highway. I drive by every day and I'm like, what is that place that I'm going to see next? That's it. So tell us again, girls, how do we get here?
Es aquí en la dirección 350 North Virginia Avenue. Aquí está atrás en Mercedes. Aquí se ven de voladita los food trucks. Son ¿cuántos son? 2, 3, 5. Son 5. Entonces aquí ya está estacionamiento y todo y pueden venir aquí.
A disfrutar en familia. Hay música, hay bebidas, hay comida de variedad. Sí. Pero en especial los tacos Alex.
Y vengan aquí.
Sí. There is a question I have to ask. So everybody knows, because there's 5 food trucks here, right? And in South Texas, there's food trucks everywhere. There's taco trucks everywhere. So what what makes this truck, what makes Taco Alex so special? Why would I go to Taco Alex instead of Taco Raúl?
Bueno, primero que nada yo digo que los tacos aquí los hacemos con orgullo y con pasión, así con alegría, con amor, porque somos de Vallehermoso, entonces allá son muy populares las taquerías, entonces también los ingredientes aquí, las tortillas, todo aquí lo traemos de México, entonces es muy especial, aquí ustedes se van a sentir en casa si son de México, entonces ya que no sea.
Y porque estamos trabajando en familia, entonces yo creo que eso es algo muy importante, porque lo hacemos con amor, porque estamos en familia.
Todo aquí rico.
I couldn't say it better myself. So stay tuned. We're going to show you what makes Taco Alex so special and why you come to Taco Alex instead of Taco Raúl's. The staff, I'm here. Staff again from Taco Tuesday RGV here with
Naomi.
Janet.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming back. Oh, stay tuned for the next taco spot. If we haven't come to your spot, stay tuned because we're going to be there soon. Welcome back to Taco Tuesday RGV. I'm staff here at Taco Alex. We got our classic beefsteak tacos. You see it, Matamoros style, with the cilantro, cebolla, the lime on here. We got the cebolla asado here as well. My favorite, classic green salsa. The combo comes with some charro beans. I gotta go for them first. Now, beans is not just beans, of course, you know. When you get a family-oriented place like this that makes everything from scratch, it's just not beans in a can. Inside, we got the beans, tomatoes. It looks like some ham in here as well. Cilantro and onions, of course. Seasoned really well. I'm going to save the lemonade for last. First taco. My favorite, corn tortillas. That contrast from the soft to the hard. That's good. That's really good. I'm trying not to take another bite before I talk. The tortillas is nice and soft, even though they've come off the grill. It's got a little crisp around the edge of the tortilla. It's not a hard, crunchy tortilla. The corn tortillas are really good. The meat seasoned really well. Avocados are fresh. Cilantro is fresh. Cheese is fresh, and you can taste it. Yeah, I just licked my hands on camera. Sorry, Mom. All right, now for my baby's favorite, lemonade. Lemonade is good too. It's got a little bit of kick to it, a little bit of bite, which I like. It's not too watered down. It's not out of a can either. It's not Minute Maid. It's freshly made here. Well, come down to Taco Alex. Get yourself a good taco listen to some music, check out some other taco trucks, get some dessert. You can't beat it. Taco Alex right here in Mercedes, 163 or 162B off the highway. You can't miss the truck. The food truck is right off the highway. You'll come down. You won't be disappointed. I'm Staff here from Taco Tuesday RGV at Taco Alex.